Okay, let's keep this quick, baby. One trade, one W today. Good job. The fewer trades, the better, dude. Honestly, for what I'm doing, I think there were two. There was one good one today. I didn't take it. I'll show you what's going on, but not bad, man. I make 100, make 1,000 a week right now, my real job. So getting there on a Tuesday, not bad, dude. Um, it was looking sideways overnight, right? Sideways yesterday, sideways overnight. Then I was thinking it might come back up because we were making this higher low. We didn't break that one, and it just shot straight down. You can get in here, bro. You can get in here, okay? And you can just ride this thing up. I did not. I took a trade up here, and then it just went sideways again the rest of the day. I thought it might come down, but nothing doing. Here's the trade. 30 minutes. That was a long ass trade. So yeah, really should have cut this one short. Um, I entered kind of aggressive on one minute candle. Uh, it was crawling above the initial balance and bouncing off of that. But it really should have taken off a lot quicker. That's my 1-to-1 right there. I tried not to move it today for you guys. I didn't move my stop loss today, so that's good. One trade. Try not to FOMO. What I didn't like about this, and you'll see it, was main main thing was that it was the top of the move. Um, besides being besides only having one confirmation candle. But we've taken trades like that with that wick that have that have gone really well. So it pushed up. It actually went pretty quick um, to my 1-to-1. How long did it take? And I was remembering this trade from yesterday where it's going to make lower lows before it goes higher. So I'm just trying to be a good boy and sit through that. There we go. Two lower lows. Volumes on our side with that delta. So I should have really, because this wasn't, that was too aggressive to put my stop loss up there. And it kind of had this double top. So my take profit. So TP should have been right there, honestly, at the top of this box. And then I get kind of nervous because it comes back down, obviously. Um, but I don't move my stop loss. I don't get out. I'm feeling okay about this. We get the higher low. Now it's really looking not great. And then right here, it goes again, and it actually goes up to my take profit and gets out. So you got kind of lucky on that. 475 in that one trade. That's the only one I took. Um, let's take a look on the chart here. So, okay. So lower lows. That's not great. I like this bounce. This is a strong supply zone, demand zone. I always get them mixed up. And really, like the initial balance, this was the initial balance high. So that's also kind of what I'm banking on. This was morning high, and this was early morning before the open. So that's a strong level, and it broke through. So I'm like, okay, it's got to retest that. It broke through hard. Um, but yeah, like, I mean, that just took too long, bro. That just took too damn long. And I luckily got out like right at the top of that move. It didn't go any higher, really. Um, so not a 10 out of 10 trade. But these lines are this is like the break into liquidity. This green candle right here is kind of like the fake out, where it grabs a little bit of liquidity, pushes up with with a delta behind it. Um, I think that fake people out, and it's better when someone gets faked out in a higher demand zone or supply zone and drops into your zone. Um, I feel like that's usually better. But this, what really would have been good, and if it did this, it probably would have kept going up, honestly. I think I don't know. I don't know what the market does, but supply comes up here, makes a new low, or makes this low, and then comes up to make another high above this boy right here. This boy right here. Uh, that's the highest it's been since. So it broke above a few days ago, but that's the highest it's been since August, since the end of August. Um, so that's pretty significant. We had a crazy move today. I got too many charts, dude. So if it bumped up there and then moved back down to here, that kind of formation is more like, okay, we're grabbing liquidity down here to go higher. It didn't do that. That's why you gotta don't get greedy, man. I think I really need to just like put my TP right at 1 to 1 and just let it happen unless I'm really confident. And okay, so the other thing, dude, how do we catch this big move, man? You can't always catch this. It's unlikely. But we broke through this swing low, broke through this level of swing lows here. There was like three descending, but they're kind of all in the same zone. A little demand zone here, not very good, but we busted through that. And then finally, dude, this is why you look left. This is why you mark out your levels. This happened at like 3:15. Okay. And it's kind of this whole zone here too. But um it and again, dude, this isn't the best, you know. It closes inside, it's already been tapped. So it's not 100%. But if you did take a chance on this and just got in I mean, this is 5 minutes, so you can take that one candle and bro, just ride that thing. Just ride that thing out, boy. Should we do I've been using Trading View lately elsewhere. If you just buy in there, shit. Just even ride the low of these candles. We'll ride the last low on the 1 minute. Just keep going. Keep going. Give it a little breathing room. Keep going. And then you see that bitch right there. You just get out at the red candle, man. That was like 185. That was like a 200-point move, dude. That's gonna make a lot of people's weeks. Then you got to get real picky. But you should be picky in the first place, you know? I think this could keep going higher. Um, it's kind of sideways right now. This is like a breakout of a range. What are we at for time? Okay, okay. It goes by quick. This is like a breakout of a range, dude. Um, what am I talking about? But okay, whatever. You know? But it's like it broke out on both sides. Um, I fucking hate the way they use channels here. It's kind of like it broke out on both sides. And this time, this didn't even bother to bounce and retest. It just went straight through. This time we're doing a retest. We didn't go, all the way higher, but we're still, that low is way above this last low here. So I'm kind of bullish on this. And daily's looking like it wants to retest this guy right here, 250. So we've been on a uptrend. It does, it's due for a replacement, but I think we could break that, young fella. Yeah, dude, we're back. We're doing a little forex back testing. We're doing a little messing around with trading view, but that's it, man. Um, So 960 on the week. Positive for this month, baby. We are positive. And we got the rest of this week. And boys, if this week goes well, man, I mean, come Monday, come October 1st, I have a little challenge coming up, you know what I'm saying? All right, bye.